Hello and welcome to issue 54 of Build Your Own 3D Printer, 3D Create and Print. And we're very quick and easy this week because all I've got to do is to put that, which is the little motor thing, into there. I'll tell you what it's called in a minute. So let's have a quick look at the magazine. It is the Motor Driver Board 2. I think there's another two of these to go, be next week and the week after, so it's always going to be very quick and easy. So let's have a look at the magazine. The usual web access code 515706 for the design files. Introducing biomimicry. Biomimicry means limiting life, not before time. Design and users in the 3D print world are looking to nature to perfectly evolve ideas. Real life Mako Shark domestic densitals measures life. I don't quite understand what that is. Goal directed design naturally. Problem solving. 4 examples of Dreamcatcher generated design solutions for bicycle frames. That pink one doesn't look very good. Don't know how strong them frames are. 3D print enables us to draw inspirations from plants and animals. Strange sort of clothing. Precision printing, preparing your workspace. This is for Blender. Another design program to use for the printer. Rules and protector. This is the motor driver board, as I was saying. Very quick and easy. These are for the design files. Single cylinder engine part 1. Great for explaining simple mechanisms to kids. Okay, a 3D printed version of a basic piston engine, whatever will they think next. Okay, Queen Anne style table, perfect little table, enables style that becomes known as the Queen Anne after the British monarchy, who resigned from 1702 to 1714. Okay, pyramid paperweight, some Blender themes. I'll see next week, as I told you, there's Motor Driver Board 3, so there'll be another one for these, and another one for next week, and one week after. Just to fill up those 1, 2, 3 spaces there. So I don't need any screwdrivers or anything like that. Get the scissors. I think this is going to be the quickest review I've done ever. I'll make sure this goes the right. I think this only goes one way anyway, because I don't know if you can see. Look, there's 1, 2, 3. There's a space there. 4, 5, 6, 7 pins that side, and 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I think about 8 pins that side. Don't know if you can see that, but see, there's a see there's only like 1, 2, 3 pins, then there's a gap, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 pins there. So this is only go one way. You can't go the wrong way round, so I've got to make sure so basically I'm just following the same way. See there's a gap in the pins there, so this can only go one way. So this one goes here, H4, that's it. Don't know if you can see that, but that says H2. What's that? It says H3. And my camera's not very good for close-ups, but that says H6 and H8. So that's it. Told you very quick and easy. Oh yeah, and this is I had a bit of trouble doing this last week, but this is what all the wires will look like. See, those are the two x-axis wires. These are the two y-axis wires and the z wires. Like that. There's a wire for the for the cover, switch cover. There's all that wire going from there to there. So that is what it looks like at the moment. All very quick and easy. And that's the USB, this black wire here for the USB board wire. There's a wire for the on and off switch going down to here. There's a switch here. See, this is for this little board here with the switches for the original tester board to test the 3 motors. I'm not quite too sure what precision this switch is for. Retro Gamer also said about this switch as well. He's a bit worried about this. What should this? But hopefully it will tell us a bit later on. It might make some difference. See, there's a motor there. There's a motor in there, and there's another motor. Well, you can't really see, but in there. But that's about it, really. So what it's looking like. There's a feed through it sign. That's it. It's all looking good. So, thanks for watching. It was quick and easy. See you next week. Thanks. Bye.